Budget-friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Good afternoon, everyone. What we gonna be doing today? We're gonna be decorating my barcart. Now, I've already painted it. I got it under the covered area simply because it's about to rain and I don't want it rain on us. So I'm gonna decorate this barcart, but I want to do it a little different than normal. So we're gonna try something else to give it a totally different look. So what I'm gonna use first is gonna be my flower pot. So I'm gonna use my flower pot here, and I wanna put it at a little bit of an angle. And then what I wanna do, I'm gonna go in and add a couple of stems to it. And as you can see, I'm gonna add the yellow in with it because that is my color. So that's gonna be the flower pot I'm gonna add. Next, what I'm gonna add is a coffee table book. And I'm gonna put it a little bit here, categories a little bit. Next, I'm gonna add a couple of candle holders. As I said, it will not be your normal looking barcart. I want to do something a little different with it, make it look a little different. Next, I'm going to add my greenery to it. Now the greenery, I want to put it across the front of the barcart and just let it like lap over here. Just want to add that little greenery to it. So next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our beads. And I'm just gonna add the string of beads. And of course, I'm just gonna let them fall. So that's gonna be the top of it as a second shelf. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my glassware. And I'm gonna add two different. I'm gonna add the one with the black stems also. So we're gonna put this on my second shelf here. I want to thank Gio for hosting Friends with Super Channels. You all make sure you stay around and check out all the Friends with Super Channels. The next stemware I'm going to add is the one with the little black bottoms on it. And I'm going to add about 4 of these. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, we're gonna add our Jefferson bourbon, and we're gonna add this on the bottom shelf. And we also gonna add the Woodford Reserve.
I think you all can see it now. So the last item I'm gonna add to my shelf is gonna be my shaker. And then I'm gonna add a few shot glasses. So let's do that. Again, I wanna thank Phil for inviting me to be a part of Friends with Super Channels. I will be leaving her information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out her channel and stay around for all of the Friends with Super channels. I'll put the little shaker over there. Okay, so that is my barcart stamp for the reveal. I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna tell you where I picked up my decor. Okay, now the bar is gonna go on the other side where my pergola is. It's about to rain, so I had it over here. But let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. The flowers were from Walmart. The vase was from At Home. The beautiful candle holders were from Goodwill, and the candles were from Walmart. The coffee table book was an Amazon find, and the black beads were from Hobby Lobby. The greenery was from the Dollar Tree. The cart here I purchased from the Goodwill, and it was like brand new when I purchased it, but I've had it a couple of years. Now I have my glasses, stemware on this second shelf, and this stemware was gifted. On the last shelf, I have my Jefferson Bourbon and my Woodford Reserve. And on the other side of it, I have my shakers and my little shot glasses in the back. So this is my non-traditional barcart. I hope I've given you all some ideas when decorating your barcart in the future. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my non-traditional barcart. I want to thank the design family again for coming along with me. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.